Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 10 best Christmas tree storage bag that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research. I have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 10, we have the Santa's Bags Christmas Tree Storage Bag. If you want a Christmas tree storage bag that you can wheel to and from the garage or closet, you'll want this roller bag. We loved its smooth, gliding, built-in wheels, and that the bag gave us plenty of workable space for inserting our Christmas tree. The bag fits trees between 6 and 9 feet. There's also a wide opening with 2 strong zippers on either side, so we could easily insert both full and narrow styles of trees. The material itself resists water. We poured water on top of it during testing, so we didn't need to worry about the potential for mold or mildew when left in storage. We appreciated the secure, sturdy handles at the top, bottom, and sides, so we could wheel the bag or pick it up if needed. This is especially helpful when transporting it into an awkwardly positioned space like the attic. Moving on. At number 9, we have the Zober Christmas Tree Storage Bag. If you don't want to spend too much money on storing your tree, we recommend this bag from Zober. It's our best budget pick because of its convenient handles, water-resistant material, and straightforward storage process. In fact, one person was able to unpack the tree in just 2 minutes, while taking the tree down from its stand and storing it inside took only 5. We fit a 7.5-foot full-size tree in this bag without any issues, and it's also available in a 9-foot version, making it perfect if you have a larger Christmas tree. We were pleased by the bag's ability to resist water, which we tested by pouring water on top. While some water did leak near the zipper, the rest of the bag was waterproof and protected the tree. The material itself is thinner than we would have preferred, and we do have concerns about its long-term durability. However, the bag did not get torn or damaged when we packed it away for the season, and remained in good condition after 3 months. At number 8, we have the tiny Tim Totes Christmas Tree Storage Bag. If you want to store your tree upright without removing it from its stand, we recommend this upright Christmas tree cover bag. Our artificial tree remained in great condition after being stored in the bag for a year, with no bugs, dust, or moisture getting inside. It took us only minutes to cover the entire tree, leaving it on its stand with the bag, even with our tree being nearly 6 feet. We found it ideal if you don't want to spend a lot of time storing your tree and prefer to keep it assembled. That said, when we took the tree out of storage, the top detached from the rest of the tree. It's also fairly difficult to move once the tree is inside the bag due to the upright position and lack of handles. We think it would be hard to carry up and down stairs. We noticed one of the snaps used to secure the tree in the bag was broken, but other than that, we had no trouble wrapping the straps around the tree. The bag closes with a drawstring closure at the bottom. At number 7, we have the Elf Store Premium Rolling Tree Storage Duffel. With a spacious, portable design, the Elf Store Premium Rolling Tree Storage Duffel stands out as our top pick. The bag is large enough to hold 2 7-foot trees, a 9-foot tree, or even multiple boxes of ornaments, tree toppers, or other decor. We liked that it just took 5 minutes to pack the tree, zip up the bag, and start carrying it. It's super easy to move and store thanks to the wheels and the long handles. Our tester stored her 7.5-foot tree in the bag, wheeled it across a hardwood floor, and then carried it up a flight of stairs into attic storage comfortably. Plus, she was able to store the tree fully connected and on its stand without disassembling it. To keep the tree secure within the bag, there are 2 straps inside to cinch around it. A center zip running from top to bottom makes it simple to remove and insert the tree. At number 6, we have the Baleine Christmas Tree Storage Bag. The Baleine 7.5 feet Christmas Tree Storage Bag is a reliable option that performed better than some of the pricier storage bags in our list. For one, it has strong, comfortable handles that make it a breeze to carry. The dual zippers smoothly glide open and closed as well. We also liked that it had a roomy capacity of 50 pounds, so it can house a tree along with extra accessories. When not in use, however, it folds compactly so that it doesn't take up unnecessary space. In our experience, this tree was ideal for 7 to 7.5 foot tall trees. It only took 5 to 10 minutes to pack up the tree too, which was nice. Plus, the water-resistant material ensured nothing snuck into the bag when zipped up. Our only note is that it's best to disassemble the tree before packing it up, so that the structure of the bag or the tree isn't compromised. At number 5, we have the Pure Garden Artificial Tree Canvas Cover. If you have a tree that's reaching toward the 9-foot mark, you'll want a storage bag that can accommodate the extra height. The Pure Garden Green Christmas Artificial Tree Storage Bag fits the bill, with expandable zippers and compression clasps that help contain large, fluffy trees. We love that the bag can fit fully assembled trees, so that you don't have to worry about resetting and fluffing your tree the next season. In our experience, it is roomy with extra space to spare. You can open the side zippers to accommodate fluffier trees, or close them for slimmer ones to save space. This storage bag did require a more involved setup at first, as the branches of our tester's tree had to be pushed up for it to fit. It required elbow grease, as we needed 2 people and a ladder to get the bag fully on. Also, keep in mind that the handle placement isn't ideal for bottom-heavy trees, which dragged and were awkward to carry. At number 4, we have the Holiday Cheer Heavy Duty Artificial Christmas Tree Storage Bag. Whether you want to carry the bag over your shoulder or take on the task with a partner, the Holiday Cheer Heavy Duty Artificial Christmas Tree Storage Bag makes transport a breeze. We like that the zipper is forgiving enough to effortlessly slide trees in and out, up to 9 feet tall. It can even accommodate a few disassembled trees with decor. The bag includes long and short handles for multiple carrying options. One side has a zippered pocket to hold ornaments, lights, or other accessories. The other side has a clear label slot, so you can easily identify and recall what is inside. We love that the bag can accommodate trees with the branches fanned out, speeding up next season's assembly. Plus, it didn't feel overly bulky despite the large capacity. Still, it's not as well suited for smaller trees, as there are no clips or zippers to adjust the bag size. At number 3, we have the Simple Living Solutions Premium Quilted Rolling Tree Storage Bag. For those who'd rather roll their tree than lug it around, we like the Simple Living Solutions Tree Storage Bag. The bag seamlessly wheels over hardwood, though if you need to carry it upstairs, we found that it was easy to do that too. While the wheels don't pivot since they aren't on 360-degree casters, they did glide smoothly when placed at the right angle. The bag is spacious enough for a 7.5-foot tree and can fit extra lights or tree skirts as well. It only took about 5 minutes to bag the tree in testing, and the job can be done with just one individual. We stored the bag in an attic crawl space with no problem, unlike bulkier options, such as our most spacious bag, which are more difficult to hoist. At number 2, we have the Mrrihand Christmas Tree Storage Bag. The Mrrihand Christmas Tree Storage Bag is exactly what I needed for storing my tree. It's super spacious and easily fits my large artificial tree with room to spare. The material feels durable and strong, and the sturdy handles make it easy to carry and move around. I love that it helps keep everything organized and protected from dust and moisture. The bag has plenty of room for my 7.5-foot tree. The wheels make it easy to transport, and a handle allows you to drag it like luggage. The material of the bag is strong. The clips help you shrink the bag tight. And finally, at number 1, we have the Holden Storage Rolling Christmas Storage Bag. This is a great product. My daughter mentioned that the tree storage at her office had a built-in hand truck. Wow! Our living area is on the 2nd floor, and that sounded like a perfect solution for moving the tree to and from storage. First, the quality is top-notch. Sturdy fabric and heavy-duty metal parts for the cart. Second assembly is easy with very good instructions and well-fitting pieces. Lastly, our 9-foot tree fit with room to spare, and it was easy to move down the stairs and into the garage. I will also mention the interior straps to secure the tree, the extra straps to compact the tree sections, and the swivel wheels on the front of the base. This can be stored in a vertical or horizontal position. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.